Welcome to our tutorial about the ON error. We've got a simple program here. Let's review the logic. Int a, here it's declared as an integer. Next it receives value from text box A. Next, integer a equals integer a plus 1. Finally, the label displays the result. Let's run our application. Enter 1, test, and it works fine. Let's enter a different value, a string. I get a runtime error, type mismatch. Let's end, and back to our code. Right on top is a line of code that reads ON error, resume next. This line of code ignores the error and resumes the program on the next line. That'll be this line here. Let's test it again. We enter 1. Looks fine. If I enter a string, we still show 1 in our result label. The reason for this is that the error appears here. As a result, integer a doesn't store any value. Next, we've got a go-to statement. Let's see how this statement works. It goes like this. On error, go to error handler. Here is our error handler. If no error occurs, the program will exit right here. Let's check how it works. We'll run our program. Enter 1, test. Everything appears fine. Let's enter a string value now. Our label gives us error message. And this concludes our tutorial on the ON error statement.